Hello, welcome to another tutorial at StackSpot. Today we will learn how to ease the creation and review of BDDs using StackSpot AI. The idea of this tutorial is to show how you can make it easier by using AI to refactor or create a BDD for your automation or for an acceptance criteria. Before we begin, let's understand what BDD is. BDD, or Behavior-Driven Development, is a methodology improves team communication. It describes the behavior of the software and can be used for business criteria, acceptance, or test automation, where we will use it. So I will start here and show you how it works. To start, you will need to have your story already generated. Here, in this case, we have a story about how to search for StackSpot on Google. So I will select the story and send a command to StackSpot AI. Where it says to create, it's asking to create a BDD. So I'll click here, it will select it and think for a moment, then generate a BDD for this story. Here you can see the generation of the BDD with the acceptance criteria based on the story provided. Another way is that you can already have a BDD created and you can refactor this BDD. I will show you now. For an already created BDD, the information must be selected with its written BDD. You select it completely, put it here in your prompt, press Ctrl+V, select it, and send it to StackSpot. With this, it will definitely be able to generate the refactor of your BDD, showing the best practices of how it should work. Additionally, it also exemplifies and explains what each part of your BDD is and how it was restructured. And that's it. This way, you can refactor your BDD, create a BDD from a story, and make your life easier using StackSpot AI. If you want to know more about using StackSpot AI with BD, access the links in the description. And if you have any questions, comment and we will respond as soon as possible. If you liked the video, like and share it to help more people use StackSpot.